I gotta move the fair lane. Jay told me I can't park there.
Here's London, how can I help you?
Hey, how much is like an extra large pizza? Or do you guys even make extra large pizzas?
Yes, we do. Extra large Swiss cheese is $15.95 before tax.
You said $15.95?
Yes.
Alright. Today, we're working on...
And a quart, sadly.
Nah, not sadly, it's pretty clean. Alright, so we got a little camber action, right? All this for camber.
Mm-hmm.
What? So, what, camber arm? I don't know which arm is which arm.
Neither do
Yo, what the? Y'all saw that?
I don't know what is what.
Oh, okay. So, a camber arm, a toe arm, and a traction arm, right?
Yes.
Alright.
Which one's which? Good luck.
Yeah, we'll look. Yo, but how much camber should this give you?
I was told up to -13.
That sounds about right for most cars with if you get all three arms.
Yeah.
I'm actually glad that you got the traction arm. Yo, if you guys are doing shit and you have the 3 suspension lowers, please get the traction arm or your alignments will be screwed and you'll wish you got the traction arm. Hey, Pete, those veins though should get big. All right.
The guy just looked at your car.
Get his ass. All right. So we're gonna peep which arms is which arms.
It says arm A, B, and C. Is there letters on these shits?
Yeah, but they have different like attachments and stuff. All right, so we'll figure that out, and then if we come across anything else, we will let you know. Dre, where you? Okay. Maybe I'll show you guys how to do the other side, but it's pretty plain and simple. Dre, still been just chilling. Now you got pizza. Taps Cone, been chilling, helping me out too. But let's bring you under the car real quick. So, right here, we've got the camber arm that's attached on the left. You've got your traction arm right here. That is right there. And your toe arm right there. No, camber, traction, toe. So, to adjust your camber arm, I've already got these set. Yeah, so I'll make it loose actually. So you're just gonna spin this once it's actually on the car so that it extends both sides at the same time. And it might get pretty hard if you're not adjusting the traction and toe at the same time. So just do each one. We left, how many?
7, 6?
7, no, how many threads are we showing? I don't know, I think it was like 13, I think like 16 threads right there, which gives plenty of threads on the inside on both sides. And we just measured it and it's what,
13.
-13? Cool. You could go more than that, but you also have to make sure your other arms can match it. So one side's pretty easy, and then I think he's lowering his coil over a little bit more. But yeah, that's about it. Pretty plain and simple. I think that was a 14. That's 14. The other ones are, the bolts are 17, I believe, and that's a 17. But it probably took me 20 minutes just to get these off and get them in. Hardest part's just adjusting them. So, live and learn. On to the new side.
Can you hand me a slice of pizza?
Cheese? Pepperoni?
Oh!
Whichever there's more of.
Alright, that makes me so tight. Look at that. That's ingenuity right there. Alright, let's see it. Yeah.
Slowly.
Yeah, slowly.
Rip your finger off.
Oh, that boy like. Yo, that's definitely more than 10. Yo, this isn't always exact. I'm gonna hit y'all with the measure. And you come here, hit that level. Yo. Come do this. What? So I can hold.
Oh.
Right here. Make sure it's centered right on the wheel. And put that boy. Oh, it says -10.
Damn.
Hey, double digits right there.
Yep.
Oh, we don't want Siri. But oh, hold up. Let me make sure. Put that wood straight. Let me down.
Do it sideways. Do it horizontal.
Yeah, but you gotta make sure it's like identical horizontal. And it still says -10. Oh. Hey, double digits, right?
Yep.
There you go. Bro, and I think the way your bumper sits too, like you can see so much tire because it slants in. So it looks a lot heavy.
Let's take a picture.
Well, let's see this other side. Bro, those look flat. Yo, with a 1-inch spacer too, that Fitment is.
Send this to Vicky.
That Fitment is, bro, gasseroni. Y'all see that? Oh, I think that might be better than Dre's.
Huh? Yo, put the camera over there and see right quick. You wanna see?
Nah, Dre's tucking. His fronts are nice too.
This side's gonna be on the ground though.
Well, you gotta see.
Bro, Camber raised your
Oh,
car
no.
because your car goes from like this.
But if I go lower, look at I barely have
tilts, which is pushing your car up.
I barely have clearance.
That's okay. Oh, we're gonna match the other side, and we'll get back to you guys because it looks dope and it looks good. But sadly, we had to put back on the stocks so that he can drive tomorrow and get in alignment. Flip the tires on the battles and make sure his alignment's straight. But yeah, I'm pretty sure he's super hyped on how it is, how it looks. I think it looks super good. But yeah, definitely need to flip these because they've never been flipped before. So this side's straight. I know this side's kind of worn down. What?
This car's so.
Hey, what you think? You like it?
Yeah.
You mess with it?
Fuck yeah.
What are you gonna have them set it at tomorrow? You gonna try to like a -11? Match -11?
Either that or see if they can match 12.
True?
Whenever they reach you at highest, like if they're like one's 11.5 and one's like 10.5, like just have them match 11.5.
Yeah.
Like don't have them go any higher just because you don't want to have like.
That's true. Yeah.
They don't know which side he pulled out and whatever, so they might pull out the wrong side and fuck your shit up because fuck Curly does.
That's fine.
I'm just kidding.
It looks good though. You can't, bro. You can't even see the tire on that on the camera, like from there until you.
Weird. It's like. The man behind it all.
Eight.
You know what I'm saying?
Nah, honestly, it wasn't that hard. The passenger side, the second side that I did, it took me like 15 minutes to do all of it. The hardest part on this was because I put it all together. I didn't know how to do it.
Put everything on. It's just 10 minutes to adjust.
All right, but yeah, so super easy install. You guys are gonna do it at home. Takes 15 minutes. Don't zoom super close on my face.
Call Brand.
But yeah, so I don't know how much you can max out at, but I mean -12 straight without even they don't even make uppers. So that's it. I gotta slide home, get a lot of accounting homework done, put the LS back together. You guys will probably be seeing that vlog before this one, maybe. So if you haven't already, go check out how to tuck your LS wiring harness. If you're gonna lower an LS 400, first gen, second gen, UCF 10, UCF 20, please tuck your wiring harness. Check out that video. Highway Mob, link in bio. Catch you guys on the next one.